Water, the stuff of life, one of our most basic needs. However, access to clean water is perhaps the most pressing issue of our time. More than 1 billion people today live without access to clean drinking water. Now that's as many people as the population of the United States, tripled, and still with some room to squeeze in the population of Great Britain. The water crisis is happening all over the world, especially in sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, where we'll be focusing. Unlike us, when they're thirsty, they can't just turn on a faucet. Instead, the women and the children of these families are left to walk for hours to fetch water, usually from stagnant ponds and lakes which contain many disease-causing pathogens. These germs are responsible for diseases like diarrhea, pneumonia, cholera, dehydration, typhoid, and sometimes even death. The crisis overwhelmingly affects children. Of the 1.8 million people that die every year from diarrhea-related illnesses, 90% of them are children under 5. 200 children die every hour from drinking unsafe water. However, the water problem is solvable. We've developed an innovative and sustainable water purification system which can affordably be produced and maintained locally by the communities in need. Imagine a bicycle, preferred means of transport for many in the developing world, that transforms when needed into a water purifier. Meet Pedal Pure. The purifier is designed to be retrofit on any bicycle, where water can be purified on the ride home. The purifier relies on a small germicidal lamp, UV, which is powered by a dynamo, a microcontroller circuit to regulate electricity and monitor the disinfection process, a small pump, a mechanical pre-filter for large debris. In realistic conditions, it is 99.999% effective in disinfection. UV water purification is also one of the most energy-efficient ways of disinfecting water. The entire kit costs about $30 and is designed to last a lifetime. One bulb can purify more than enough water to satisfy the needs of an entire village for a year. The system is also open source and modular, allowing us to easily add components. For example, a battery can be charged by the dynamo, which can be used to power all sorts of appliances. The project's sustainability is ensured in part by a proposed initiative to empower communities to be able to affordably produce their own pedal pure systems by holding hands-on workshops at local schools, universities, and community organizations. People from the communities themselves can learn all about how the system works. This way, not only will the communities be able to produce their own purifiers, but will also be able to modify the mechanism to fit their own needs. Making clean water accessible is our goal. We are well on our way as our prototypes already show significant promise.